Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, your ultimate destination for the most engaging and informative car content on YouTube. Today, we're diving into a modern automotive revival that's turning heads and stirring nostalgia worldwide. The 2026 Citroën 2CV. Yes, the iconic French legend is making a comeback. And it's not just a tribute. It's a full-blown reinvention for the modern era. To truly appreciate the 2026 Citroën 2CV, we need to start by understanding what made the original 2CV so legendary. The 2CV, or deux chevaux, was first introduced in 1948 by Citroën in France. It was designed as an affordable, simple car that could carry two farmers and a basket of eggs across a plowed field without breaking a single one. Minimalist by nature but revolutionary in design, it quickly gained popularity for being the working-class hero, a reliable, fuel-efficient, and rugged vehicle built for real-world use. For over 4 decades, it remained in production and sold over 5 million units globally, with France being its strongest market. Countries like Spain, Portugal, and the UK also saw immense adoption due to its affordability and practical design. Fast forward to 2026, and Citroën has reimagined this icon for the 21st century. But this isn't just about retro styling. The new 2CV represents a return to roots with a touch of futuristic flair. Citroën has taken the quirky charm of the original and fused it with modern technology, sustainable engineering, and enhanced comfort to make it relevant for today's drivers. It's light, it's agile, and it's surprisingly well-equipped for a car that's still rooted in simplicity. So where is the 2026 Citroën 2CV finding its biggest audience? Once again, France is leading the charge, but it doesn't stop there. The reborn 2CV is seeing impressive uptake across Europe, especially in urban hubs like Berlin, Amsterdam, and Milan, where compact dimensions and eco-conscious design are prized. Emerging markets in South America and parts of Asia are also expressing keen interest thanks to the model's affordability and practicality. The 2026 version has been engineered to appeal to both nostalgic fans and modern minimalists. It's gaining a cult following, especially among younger buyers who are drawn to its blend of vintage appeal and sustainable performance. Its popularity is rising on social media and in car enthusiast circles, with people praising its retro-modern looks and eco-friendly philosophy. It's quickly becoming a style statement on wheels. Performance-wise, don't expect high horsepower or blistering speed. That's never been the 2CV's game. Instead, what Citroën offers is a smooth, efficient ride perfect for city driving and short commutes. The 2026 model comes with a small but efficient electric motor that delivers about 80 horsepower. While it's not built for track days, it zips around city streets with ease and offers a surprisingly peppy driving experience thanks to its lightweight construction and responsive handling. Fuel efficiency, or rather energy efficiency in this case, is one of the biggest selling points. The new 2CV has an electric range of about 200 kilometers, which makes it ideal for urban use and daily commutes. For those who want even more flexibility, there's also a hybrid version that pairs a small combustion engine with electric assistance, pushing the range closer to 500 kilometers. Charging the electric model from 20% to 80% can be done in just 30 minutes with fast charging technology, making it incredibly convenient for city dwellers. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is not just about being green, it's about being smart. The vehicle's capabilities include advanced regenerative braking, modular interior configurations, and lightweight body panels made from recycled composite materials. It's designed with sustainability in mind, without compromising on durability or function. With a high ground clearance and a tight turning radius, it can handle urban potholes, gravel paths, and narrow alleys with grace. Key features of the 2026 2CV include a minimalist but tech-savvy interior, featuring a central digital display, smartphone integration, voice-activated controls, and optional augmented reality navigation. There's even a removable roof panel, paying homage to the original's rollback canvas top. Despite its compact size, The car is surprisingly roomy inside thanks to a clever use of space and flat floor architecture. Safety features are also present, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree parking camera system. Pricing is another area where Citroën keeps things attractive. The base electric model starts at just around $19,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. The hybrid version comes in at about $21,500, offering greater range for those who need it. With government incentives for electric vehicles in many regions, the effective price can drop even lower, making the 2026 2CV an absolute steal for budget-conscious drivers. So what makes the 2026 Citroën 2CV a true standout in today's saturated automotive market? It's the perfect blend of old-school charm and modern-day sensibility. It's a car that doesn't try to be everything. It focuses on being a dependable, fun, and economical choice for everyday people. In a world full of oversized SUVs and overcomplicated infotainment systems, the 2CV's simplicity is refreshing. It delivers on practicality without being boring, and it turns heads without being loud. At a time when many automakers are chasing the next big thing, Citroën reminds us that sometimes the smartest move is to go back to basics and do it better. The 2026 2CV is not just a car, it's a philosophy on wheels. One that prioritizes affordability, sustainability, and style over horsepower and excess. It's a humble hero reborn for a new generation, proving that being economical doesn't mean compromising on personality or performance. Thanks for watching Auto Hub Info. If you love unique vehicles with history, character, and modern relevance, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is one to keep on your radar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car content. See you in the next video.